Hey Tech fam, Google is making waves today with some pretty exciting updates. Let's dive right into it. First up, Google dropped its June feature update for Pixel devices, and it's packed with top-tier goodies. Highlighting the show is the Gemini Nano AI model making its debut on the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8a. Forget cloud dependency. This scaled-down AI does a lot right on your device. No internet? No problem. Just enable developer options, and boom, you've got AI smarts at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. The Summarize feature in the Recorder app is leveling up with speaker name detection and the ability to export transcripts as text files or Google Docs. Imagine having even more robust, detailed summaries of your meetings or lectures. Now that's a productivity boost. On top of that, the new update makes the Pixel smartphones pretty much impossible to lose. Utilizing the Find My Device network, you can track your Pixel 8 series phones for up to 23 hours, even when they're switched off or out of battery. Sherlock Holmes, who? The Pixel Watch 2 isn't left behind in this feature fiesta either. Car crash detection is now a thing, adding an extra layer of security for those unpredictable moments. Plus, Google Wallet and PayPal integration makes digital payments smoother for Pixel Watch users in Germany and the US. Now, let's talk YouTube. The platform is rolling out a brand spanking new feature for content creators called Thumbnail Test and Compare. This lets YouTubers upload multiple thumbnails and let the data decide which one strikes a chord with viewers. Creators can now A/B test up to 3 thumbnails within YouTube Studio and find out which one garners the most watch time. No more guesswork, just data-driven decisions. Switching gears, Google hosted a workshop with the Department of Financial Services to tackle financial fraud. The event saw top brass from public sector banks and law enforcement agencies discuss emerging fraud trends and risk mitigation strategies. From API innovations to blocking suspicious numbers, Google is all in on safeguarding your digital transactions. And now for the stock market junkies, guess what? Alphabet is making headlines as one of the 2 unstoppable AI stocks to buy and hold forever, as per industry analysts. Capturing market share and pushing tech boundaries, Alphabet and Amazon are brand titans making waves in the AI world. Alphabet's edge in its Google Cloud platform makes it a darling for generative AI unicorns, giving it formidable clout in the AI landscape. Last but not least, the titanic battle for AI supremacy heats up with news of Apple potentially distributing Google's new Gemini AI model. While OpenAI's ChatGPT has already snagged prime real estate in Apple devices, Google might just be set to join the fray. If Google's AI gets integrated, it could mean significant paychecks or major leveraging power for Apple. This tug-of-war has massive implications, and we'll be keeping both eyes peeled on how it unfolds. So there you have it. Google is shaking up the tech landscape with groundbreaking updates, robust security measures, and unstoppable stock performance. Stay tuned for more, because you know Google isn't slowing down anytime soon. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.